Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. So you see here the new rope plate that I'm gonna show you. I have today this in many different colors and I'm gonna do different projects with it. So first off, here is the pink version and the yellowish orange one. Then a nice blue one. This is a bit softer blue with some gray. Then next I have purple and gray together. Then a black and white one, of course. A green version. And red and gray. So I'll show you how to work such a braid. It's a bit different, but it's not difficult at all. So let's get started. Here is the beginning. You see here that we pull the loops through. The other end is a little bit different here. So also here on top we have our little thread that connects the loops. So when we cut that, we see the different colors that we have in here. Then here is the connecting thread to our next section, and you see how much of one color or one shade you get. And this is also put together so that it doesn't fall apart as you work it. So anyway, we can cut that off as well. And when we do that, we get here the beginning. Now I'll start with this thread, so I'll just put this to the side and I can get started. I'll call this piece a donut because I think it fits the size and it's easier to follow that way. So if I would like to start with the darker color, I would still pull this apart. And if you want to make it faster, you can take a glass and then go around it. That way you avoid any twists and knots going on. And then you just finish your first donut. It's actually pretty relaxing to do something like this. Of course, you will need some patience. Or you can simply start with this side and this color and then you don't have to do this at all. Almost done. Now let's move on to the next. Again, pull the next donut out. Here's the connecting thread. And now we do the same, so cut the safety threads off. And when you do that, go with the glass in and we start again. A glass or a jar will work as well, or anything of a similar shape. Okay, so now you see the connecting thread, so that's where you pull your next donut out. And continue. And the next one. Let's go. Next one. Last color. And this one is also connected so that everything stays in place. This spool is already getting pretty big. And here you see the connection between the threads. So you don't have to weave in after every color change, which is always great. But I do want to emphasize you still get a lovely gradient out of it. So here are all of the colors once again, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing more projects with this, so feel free to let me know maybe if you have any ideas or wishes what we could do. Let me know if you worked with these, what you've done, if you've done something, and apart from that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next episode. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!